Hi, I'm Lily and Isabella, and today I am going to be doing clay with children's clay. But who cares? Clay is expensive. So first we need to do our sketch. So let's think. Should it be a giraffe? Nah, Christmas tree. Because I am using tinsel. No, a hedgehog. Because that means I can use the tinsel. Yay. Yay. So, first let's do our sketch, as I said. So, here's my piece of paper. What colours? We need beige and silver. Let's find that. Instead of beige, let's use cream and silver. We don't have silver. So, let's use some margarita, I think. Yeah, let's just say that. So, not margarita first. So, first we need to draw the outline. Now, this is going to be a quick one. So here's my sketch. I mean, it's not like Shifu, definitely, because Shifu I took time on. But it's pretty good. So, let's start with the clay. So I'll put that sketch beside me and get the clay out. So, our sketch is a hedgehog. So, our tinsel needs to cut. No, as I've got two batches of this, I'm going to use this colour. Because that is beige. First of all, we need to mould out our hedgehog with this kind. No, not that one. Well, yes, that one and this one. This one's clean, not used. We'll probably use a little bit though, but who cares? Beige is a quite ugly colour. We're going to use cream. This is seriously not enough. Let's have to do this. First of all, you need to make it into a circle. This clay is stiff. Well, this is what I made. Now, once you've made this circle, you need to make a little feet. Tiny. I would make this better if I had really good clay, but I don't. So, this is how it is. So, here's my teeny weeny feet. And now, I'm not going to do the arms like I did because I just won't. So, make your hedgehog, or whatever your animal is, sit down. Get your tinsel, wherever it is, here, and cut it. Do I have any scissors in here? Excuse me, I'm coming back. I'm back. Scissors. Right, so, this bit, this bit. Just cut it. Stop messing about, just cut it. Yeah, this bit. Now, this tinsel had this on it. Don't know why. So I'll just take that off. Why I just use this bit? I'll just use this bit because I need this to stick it on. And it fell off. I need to do some cross hatching. Never do it with scissors. I'm just being lazy and doing it with scissors because I've got nothing else to do with. Now let's try. Oh. Ooh. So, let me just smooth this out. And this is what my hedgehog looks like so far. Let me reshape those feet. So this is my hedgehog. Well, doesn't look overly good, but it's good enough. Let's make the tummy patch this. So this one we just need to like flatten it out into a circle, which is going to be easy enough, or is it? Probably. There you go. I've got the tummy patch, and now I need to smoothen it out. Well, this belly patch is very fat, but he'll like it. He's eating good. Yes, he's eating good. Alright, with my googly eyes, well, they won't be exactly the same. So don't be too harsh on me. I mean, like, come on, guys. Just come on. So these are actually meant for sewing, but I'm using them here because I can. So let me check. Does it look good? Let's just... No, those are too big. Let's use a tiny size. They're so tiny. Let's stick them in. Now, I bet you're thinking, what's this lady thinking? This poor hedgehog doesn't have a nose. Well, now it does. No, lady. Just saying. No, I don't like that. That's the exact same colour. Terrible. Ugh. If you're doing this, please do it before you put in this. Well, this is not... Okay. Well, it's I'm finished. It's not really good. I will do another one with proper clay and better. To me, it just looks like... But I quite like it, though. I quite like it. I mean... Come on, that's a Tom. Okay, it's not a hedgehog, but it's a living being, and he's called Tom. Tom is an alien. And Tom is an alien, so yeah, I like Tom. Anyway, bye!